Hey, happy holidays to you. We got Thanksgiving just around the corner, and after that, the big one, the 25th of December. But right now we're going to draw a funky little gnome, happy little guy. You can see how I'm sketching his hat out really lightly in pencil. And then you can just follow along with the tutorial here and get the idea of how this little guy is going to look in just a couple of minutes. Watch closely as I create his beard, and then I create his shoes, his funky old gnome shoes with upside down kind of U shape and then a rectangle for this golden buckle on those boots. And then you can also watch how I'm going to develop his coat and the belt that barely shows, and then, well, just pay attention because there's lots of details coming your way. Now we're going to develop the presents that the gnome is holding, those precious Christmas presents. Mostly squares, rectangles, a couple stacked up. So pay attention, we're about to go crazy on it. Looking good. I knew you could do it. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.